What's good with y'all? As it should say in the title, I bought my first project car, I would say. It's a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland with the 5.7 Hemi, which is definitely an upgrade from the Toyota Avalon I had before. But yeah, this is just a little quick walk around video just to show like how it looks before I do anything to it. A couple things I plan on doing just off the bat is blacking out some of the chrome, like you see in that Jeep logo. It was a little chrome. These side window parts right here, black all that out. I'm probably gonna still keep the mirrors, the chrome, because I think that looks pretty cool. And then of course the grill in the front right here, I'm gonna have to black that out. But yeah, that's a start. And then if y'all have any ideas, like things I should add, put those down in the comments, because I'm down to do whatever I gotta do to get the maximum performance out of this thing. But yeah, like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Oh yeah, press that notification bell too, so niggas can stay updated with everything I'm doing. And yeah, that's it. See ya. Peace.